This Friday will mark 1 year since the beginning of the Russian invasion of Ukraine. Today, President Joe Biden made a surprise trip to Ukraine's capital ahead of his planned trip to Poland to meet with NATO allies. The Biden administration has pledged millions of dollars of support to Ukraine and has implemented programs here in the U.S. to aid refugees. And one of those programs is meant to help reunite refugees with their families already here in the U.S. as long as they meet certain requirements like passing a tuberculosis screening. Union County commissioners have decided to table the acceptance of federal dollars for these screenings. The board members say they have a lot of questions that need to be answered before they want to vote on it. Queen City News reporter Daniel Pierce is live in Monroe. And Daniel, how is this going to impact health screenings for those refugees?
Well, right now, the tuberculosis screenings are still going to happen. I was speaking with the director for the Union County Health Department earlier today, and he said, yes, that $19,600 would be great, but it's not immediate as of right now. It is something, though, that they are really going to want to revisit. Right now, though, the county health department is going through the $10,000 that they received from the same United from Ukraine program that they were approved for last fall. The money is crucial to cover the cost of testing and to get some help inside of the health department to essentially do all of this. In the past 8 months, there have been 200 tuberculosis tests of refugees here in Union County. The tests, they're expensive. They can be a lengthy process, especially if you take into consideration the language barrier. This money, especially that $10,000 and what this close to $20,000 would do, would help hire staff to communicate with these mothers, these fathers, these children to make sure that they know what's going on and can answer questions so that way they can fully understand the health impact as a whole. Tonight, Union County Commissioners said that they want to know if there are any strings attached with this next round of funds.
What's our end of the bargain? Is the federal government providing housing for these folks? Is that what obligation we have? And that's kind of what I want to know is to what extent we're on the hook, for this funding.
Other countries, there is a higher incidence. There's also so there's a reason for us to sort of be involved in making sure that that's done.
But are they reimbursing us or paying the cost of students in the school? Are those Ukrainian students going to Union County Public School for 2 years? Are we giving them any other social services that the Union County taxpayers may be voting for? By accepting this money, does it require that we pay more money?
Again, so $10,000 was approved last fall, but this right here is a whole new board, and they have a whole new set of questions. There's no hard date on when this is going to be revisited, but there are thousands of dollars available for health departments throughout the state through this program. In fact, Mecklenburg County is going to be talking about theirs at Tuesday's meeting. Live in Union County, Daniel Pierce, Queen City News.